Hello everybody, today we are going to go over how to unpack and set up a Cubii JR2. It's a under desk elliptical. I got this as a little reward at work for a walking challenge thing, and so we're going to go ahead, open this up, take the parts and pieces out and see what we got. Alright, so we got this unpacked. It comes with the main unit. In here has a little bit of packing material that we'll also take off. There was a box here that had the foot pedals and straps in it. Also came with a screwdriver and some screws. You get your quick start guide for setup, owner's manual, and then the extended warranty stuff that honestly I usually throw out. But I did read through the quick start guide. It looks pretty easy to get this thing set up and going. And so with that, we'll go ahead and start. So if you open up the quick start guide, it goes through step by step, obviously what to do. So our first step is we're going to align the right pedal and insert the arm in the bottom. And then we flip it over, we put the screws in, and we go from there. So we're going to go ahead and walk through those steps. Yeah, so our first step is we take our right pedal, which if you look at the pedals, they have the left and the right on the little warning thing here. And we align the holes. So if you go down here, you can see the line, and then there's the holes there. And they kind of snap in, and it lays down. And then by holding it, flip it over, and we're gonna put these screws in. So it comes with the screwdriver, it's kind of nice, and the screws. So let's grab a screw, and we'll just quickly screw that one in, and same thing with the other one. So that side's in, so we do the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna flip this thing around. This side, line up pieces, flip it over, and we'll put those two screws in. If you know how to put the screws in, go ahead and skip forward. I'm just doing this all in real time so you can see how long the actual installation takes. All right, now that those are in, we can put in our foot straps. So those come with a different set of foot strap instructions. So right, so we're going to go ahead and put in the foot straps following the instructions. And so grab a foot strap. The logo is going to face away from the machine. And you just put that in. Bring it around. Feed it up the other side. And then that just goes through here. And then buckles in. So pretty easy foot strap installation. I'm going to go ahead and do that other side, and then we'll see how this thing works. All right, so I place this thing kind of under my desk here. Excuse the cord mess. The one thing that they do have, which is kind of neat, is this little ring here goes down here. This lifts up. It goes over top so that little nubbin goes in the hole, and then you can wheel your chair up and in. That way your chair doesn't move around on you. So to use it, slip your foot in, just for demonstration purposes. I don't worry about making the straps tight. So wheels are in, and you kind of start walking. All right, so when it comes to the settings for this thing, this is the tensioner. Level 1 is the lowest, and you just turn it to whatever you want it to be. And then up here on the screen, smooth out so you can see it, you have your strides, the amount of time, your calories, distance, RPM, and whatnot. If you press this button, it just switches on that side on what you're working on. So you can kind of set it and see as you go through. So overall, kind of a cool machine. Yeah, I'll definitely kind of use it throughout the day. If I'm sitting here just on the computer and not really doing much, I think it'll be kind of a cool thing to just get some steps in and whatnot. I would prefer if it was Bluetooth or something to my phone. I'll just have to manually enter the strides or something later on so that everything counts as it should. But like I said, it's pretty simple. Just put your feet in, and as you're sitting here typing, working, or whatever, you get a little bit of workout in. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns on this machine, please leave them in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and all that, and we will talk to you soon.